In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a part of image using Figma. To begin, make sure your image is already placed onto your Figma canvas. This technique is incredibly useful for cleaning up images, removing unwanted elements, or preparing graphics for various design projects. We'll be using Figma's shape tools and Boolean operations for precise removal. First, locate and click on the pen tool. You can usually find this tool in the top toolbar, often grouped with other drawing tools. The pen tool allows you to create custom vector shapes, which is essential for defining the exact area of the image you wish to remove. It offers precise control for selections and modifications. Once the pen tool is selected, carefully draw a shape or a box around the specific part of the image you intend to remove. Take your time with this step. Click to create anchor points that form the outline of the unwanted section. You can hold down the Shift key for straight lines, or click and drag for curves. The more precise your shape, the cleaner the removal will be. Make sure to connect the last anchor point to the first one to close the path and form a complete shape. This shape will act as a mask, indicating exactly what portion of the image will be cut away. After creating your shape, you'll likely see it has a default fill color and possibly a stroke. With your new shape still selected, navigate to the Design panel on the right side of your Figma interface. Here, locate and click on the Fill option. While we won't change the fill color for this particular operation, ensuring the shape has a visible fill is important for the next step. Next, it's a good practice to remove any stroke from your shape. Still in the Design panel, find the Stroke section, usually below Fill. To remove it, you can click on the minus icon next to the Stroke property. Removing the stroke ensures that when you subtract this shape from the image, there won't be any lingering outline around the removed section, resulting in a perfectly clean cut. Finally, with both your image and the shape you just drew selected, locate the Boolean operations in the top toolbar. These operations are typically represented by icons showing combined shapes. From this menu, click on the Subtract option. This action uses your drawn shape to cut out its area from the underlying image. The part of the image covered by your shape will be completely removed, leaving a transparent section. This is a powerful and non-destructive way to edit your images in Figma. Remember to select both elements before performing the subtract operation for it to work correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a specific part of an image using Figma's powerful tools, providing a clean and professional way to refine your visuals.